Hello, Bright Minds. Welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy, smart, and fun. I hope you are doing great and ready for the another exciting lesson. In our previous lesson, we have learned about fractions. Today, we are going to learn about decimals in a very easy method. So, let's get started. Now, here's a question for you. Imagine you have a 1 rupees and you spend 50 paisa. You spend 50 paisa, right? So can we write 50 paisa as a part of a 1 rupee? Yes, we write it as a 0.50 paisa equal to 1 rupee. This number is called a decimal number. Okay. A decimal is another way of writing a fraction. Okay. For example, suppose I will write here half equal to 1 by 2. So we can write as it as a 0.5. Now for 1/4, we can write 1 by 4 equal to 0.25, right? Now for 3/4, we can write 3/4 equal to 0.75. Okay, decimal help us a part of a whole in a simple and convenient way. Now one question for you. Where do we see the decimals? Decimals are everywhere. This is the decimal numbers. Decimals are everywhere where we go for shopping to buy something like milk packet or petrol cost. Okay, if we buy milk, milk cost is 45.50 rupees. Okay, for petrol, petrol cost is 103.85, right, per liter. When while measuring anything, suppose if we measure the height, 1.4 meter, weight 25.5 kg, temperature also 36.8 degrees Celsius. Right? So decimal array is a part of our daily life. For example, I will write a number here. Okay. So I will write a number 24.75. So here this dot, the dot between the two numbers 24.75 is called the decimal point. It separates the whole number and from the decimal part. Okay, so here whole number is whole number equal to 24 here, and decimal part equal to 75. Right? The first digit after the decimal point, the first digit after the decimal point is called the tenth. Okay, the second digit is called the hundred. It means 24.75. 7 means 10, 5 means 100. I will write here, it's better understand. 7 means 7 tenth, 5 means 100. Right? So let's look at the place value of, so we can check in the place value. Tens, ones, then dot, then tens and hundreds. So we can write here, our number is 24.75. So we can write this number in a way, on a tens place 2, ones place 4, dot, on tens place 7, on hundreds place 5. Right? So we can read as a 24.75, 24 and 75 hundred. Okay. For example, suppose a pizza is cut into 10 equal parts. Okay. It will cut into 10 equal parts. Equal slices. If you eat 3 slices, equal to you have eaten 3 by 10 equal to 0.3. If the pizza is divided into 100 equal pieces and you eat 25 pieces, then it will become a 25 by 100 equal to 0.25. Decimals and fractions tell the same story in different ways. Okay, so let's example of little bigger number. So I will write a number here, 3, 5 dot 4, 5. So here, first we will take the before decimal numbers. 5 represent the ones place. This 3 represent the tens place. These 2 represent the hundreds place. Now, so after decimal, this 4 is on the, so we can write here 4 here, tens, and this 5 1 represent the hundreds place. Place 5, right? So that's all for today's lesson. Hope you understood the introduction of decimals. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every big success begins with understanding one small concept at a time. Happy learning. Thank you.